this is the midterm for the my intro to statistics class, and here's my ID, Cornisha Parker. This is just my introduction. I'm going to flip the camera over and actually work out the problems while I voice it over. To find the mean, median, and mode of a particular data set. And the data set is stated like 8, 16, 3, 6, 11, 17, 2, another 2, 6, 2, 6, 1, 10, 3, 19, 10, and 5. Chronological order. In order, so I put 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 2, 3 tens, 10, 11, 17, and 19. To find the mean, which is the average, you add all the numbers up and you divide by the set numbers. So you add 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 17 plus 19. And you get 119. And you divide by how many numbers there are in the set, which is 16. So 119 divided by 16 is 7.437. 7.437. The median is let's do the mode, that's simpler. The mode is the most occurring number, and the most occurring numbers we have are 6 and 10. So it's 6 and 10 for the modes, or 6 and 10 for the modes. In the median, how to find the median? The median is the middle number, the middle average number. I mark out each one on the end. 2, 17, 2, 11, 3, 10, 3, 10, 5, 10, 6, 8, and then you just have these 2 6s in the middle. So my video timed out while I was explaining how to find the median. I found the median by adding both of the 6s together and dividing however many numbers I divided by. So I added the 6s. 6 plus 6 is 12. Since there are 2, I divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the median for problem 75, number 23, is 6. You want us to find A and B, which is exactly 6 and less than 5. So we're doing binomial distribution. So the binomial distribution formula is P equals X equals X equals N, choose X. The probability of X times the failure rate, the possible failure, n minus x. 8 is the the adults that were randomly selected. 34 is the 34% written out in decimal point form. 1 minus 34 equals 60.66. And that is going to be using all of this in the problem. So you want us to find, oh goodness, what's the probability that it would be exactly 6? So equals 8/6, and we are just copying this in that form. 8/6
times 30.34 times the probability of it being exactly 6. 1 minus 0.34. The adults that you randomly selected minus exactly 6. N minus X. We can do it. I'm going to write it in the factorial form. 8 factorial 8 minus 6 factorial 6 factorial.
I did go ahead and calculate the 0.34 times, well, to the 6th power, which is 0.00154. 1 minus 34 is 0.66 to the 8 minus 6th power. That equals 0.4356. And you are going to multiply these two and get 0.0187. And I'm just assuming that you want it in the thousands place, so I did get 0.187. But if you round that, I don't know if you wanted us to round it. You will get 0.19. So that's it for page 211, number 19. Moving on to part B, which is this is very hard to explain, so I'm gonna just kind of write it. X equals 0. So we're doing the probability of it being everything less than 5. So that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Px plus O equals 1. So that's 1. And we're going to go all the way up to 2. Plus the probability of x being 4. Formula. This time I'm doing 8 choose 8 instead of the factorial formula. So we're going to start off with 8 choose 8 times 34% to the 0 power, because that's what we're starting off with, 0. And that's what the specific outcome is. 8 is 8, and then times the probability of failure to the 8 minus 0, since that's the specific number. And we honestly just keep doing that until we get to 4.
8 choose 1 times 0.34 to the 1 power times 66. 8 minus 1, because that's the specific number, plus 8 choose 2 times 0.4 to the 2nd power 66. 8 minus 2 plus 8 choose 3 0.34 to the 3rd power times 0.66. 8 minus 3. And lastly, 8 choose 4. 0.34. Sorry, 0.34. To the 4th power times 0.66. 8 minus to the 8 minus 4th power. Oh, sorry. This equals 0.03600. If you put this in the calculator, you will get this number. Same as this one, 8 choose 1. The sum of 8 choose 1 equals 0.14838. The sum of 8 choose 2 is 0.26753 plus the sum of 8 choose 3, 0.27564, plus lastly the sum of 8 choose 4, which is 0.17750. And you put this in the calculator, add it all together, it will be 0.9505. And I'm assuming you want it in the thousands place, so 950. And that is the answer to part B.